look at the map, it's like the Maratha Empire. How America has a two-party system. So
Yeah.
we are now ahead. We have one-party system.
So who'll stand against you when you're doing one party?
Your own people will stand.
And they'll accept defeat before counting also.
And they will also celebrate themselves.
Some Indian males make sounds before tuhawing on the road.
Yeah.
The moment you make those sounds, now people start. Their respect is like Virat Kohli is coming to bat.
The only thing better I heard in a Q&A is like when Modi ji was asked,
पहला अंबानी अभी मोदी जी मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है.
पर एक ही तो है लीडर कंट्री में, तो किसका बात करेगा?
कौन लीडर कौन है दोनों में से?
Leader and owner are different. No?
What's your view on vaping?
Well, like all bugged up people having this small little chut कर रहा है.
Woman jailer fell in. अरे वाह, you got some good stories. Fell in love with murder convict, marries him after his life sentence. So बेंचो तो 2 life sentence मिला.
One wedding I heard of was in a Taj hotel. Day before the wedding, no, the groom was making out with somebody.
This is a famous story from a famous sports person.
But there is a heat wave, right, in India.
Yeah, TMC was affected.
Yeah, it's so hot, it's orange.
Okay, trying to start this show for the last 10 minutes. Puneet was sweating. Then Puneet had to get hair and makeup. Then Puneet had to change his shirt. By the way, Puneet is the only guest, ladies and gentlemen, who comes here sweating. And I never understood it because we were all kinds of guests, all types, from all parts of the world. Aeroplane, taxi, rickshaw, walking, the works, we have it all. But only one guest comes in. Do you feel some sort of anxiety?
No, this is a biological process. It happens.
Please explain.
Yeah, beyond Bandra, people sweat. It's, yeah, you may not be aware of this phenomenon, but
Our only guest from Kandivali.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah, from South Mumbai, no sweating.
Ah, shoot. Yes. Okay. He started by making fun of the one man who is supporting him. What is this shirt? There's a story about the shirt you're wearing. I don't know. Can we see the shirt?
No, it's reflecting.
Yeah. Just show the shirt now.
Yeah. So, like, speaking of sweating, this shows Mumbai.
You can stop feeling yourself up. Just tell me about the shirt. I think this is an excuse for having a little fun because he's lonely. Yeah. Come on. Bolo.
So this is an artist I met at the flea market, and it's called Mad Trip. Is like his brand, and so this is Mumbai. Imagine as an insect world. So
Wow. I wonder which political party is thinking of you as the member of parliament now. Yeah.
yeah. So the small auto rickshaws, they are like mosquitoes. The train is a caterpillar.
I think you'll get a lot of support for that first remark. Now go on.
Yeah, and they're all sweating also. You can't see it, but they're sweating.
So of course, because it's not South Bombay,
Yeah.
no rickshaws allowed in South Mumbai because of the sweat. A lot of my Sindhi friends in South Bombay, the language it's gone almost.
gone, yeah.
Without, I don't know. It's just a lot of the fact is the relatives aren't around. So the older people aren't around for them to talk with. So the next generation, what are they going to do?
But they were around at some point, no?
You're worried about not speaking Sindhi. Most people can't speak Hindi. It's reached that point. What are you worried about?
Yeah, that is a South Mumbai problem largely. But there are like 5-6 Hindi comics in Mumbai.
Who named them?
So Kamra,
Yourself. Kamra, then
Dudeja.
Dudeja. Yeah.
Yeah, then there is Chabria. He doesn't perform much anymore.
Chabria,
Deep.
no, I can't. I
Yeah,
haven't seen
then there is Bhavish Ailani.
My God, you're taking roll call on these
Then there
guys.
is Ronak Rajani.
Ronak, you know Ronak.
Yeah, but
then
none of them can speak to Switzerland.
and one more.
Khatri, the
Khatri!
most. How did we
Khatri.
forget? The most famous of them all.
Yeah.
And even Khatri can speak.
Khatri can't speak.
Yeah.
Khatri looks like he invented Sindhi.
Yeah, but that is a business decision.
Achha, fair enough. By the way, 3 of them are MBAs out of the list already. Yeah.
He told me once that a Sindhi association called him for a show, and he went and they bought koki for him and all, like all the Sindhi cuisine, and they were very happy. And they're like, the show will be in Sindhi, right? That's why advance payment.
Wow. God, talk about minorities. Sindhi stand-up. I mean, but will Sindhis pay for the stand-up?
Nahi.
Then boss isme kya? Obviously, you have to move.
But if we had our own state, no, it would have like survived. Because then we could have beat people up. कि Sindhi में बात करने का.
Just again, this politicization of everything is Puneet's. He wants his own state. I'm very happy with wherever I am. We don't want any other state. Yeah. But
Where would we even ask? Like, where is the-
but you know the state is in the opposite across the border. So how you what's your plan? Durandar 3?
आंधी बन के
Durandar 3.
फर्स्ट सीन बोले पापड़ का दुकान कहाँ पे है एंड दे कैच हिम
But why is this stereotype with the Sindhis and Papad?
और कुछ बचा ही नहीं है
I mean, such a rich culture, and all they give you is this papad thing.
पापड़ खाता है और पैसा बनाता है. This is the stereotype we've been reduced to.
Sometimes papad is used for paisa, literally.
Yeah, it's in the prisons it is a currency.
I was going to use a language, but let it be now, since nobody speaks it anymore.
Instead of cigarettes, no, Sindhis pass papad in the prison. So sad it is actually.
1 minute. So 5 guys in college go out. 3 non-Sindhis are smoking, and 2 Sindhis are carrying papad.
Yeah. Nee, I said prison, but anyway.
Oh, in prison?
Yeah.
What kind of prison gives you papad here? That's pretty
Currency
posh.
in prison. Okay, forget it.
Okay, now I'm getting your gag. So in prison, bear with us, we are good. In prison,
It's too late now.
In prison, the currency is papad, for which you can buy the cigarettes. Is that what you're trying to say?
Just made it more complicated. Yeah, state would have been nice. No? Then we could have made papad compulsory. All of that.
I'm a big fan of papad. I love it.
Really?
Yeah, in all forms.
It's very bad for health.
It takes a long time to digest, if that's your point.
Yes, too much.
I think over 24 hours.
Too much sodium and too
No,
much
also it just doesn't dissolve.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
So you can tell a person with a papad gut. You can immediately.
Papad gut.
Yeah, it's because it's still not dissolved. It's right there. You want to see? Get the Suresh and Satishan. I'll show you.
I think I'll take back my desire for statehood. हो गया नहीं चाहिए.
But honestly, I'm telling you, where will you? There's no place left in India for their fighting. Firstly, TVK can't even form a government because the governor is saying now show me numbers.
We can make Kalyan into union territory.
If you're aiming low like that, then no problem. I think we can come to some compromise. Just bring a map of Mumbai. Let's see what is available. We'll give you.
Yeah.
Mahakali Caves?
नहीं. Only Ulhasnagar.
Ulhasnagar?
Yeah, that's what I'm
saying. Ulhasnagar already there?
Yeah. तो उसको
तेरे को एक स्टेट मिल गया, दूसरा स्टेट कहाँ से आएगा अभी? This is not right. You fool the old man. Give me a state and already they have a state. यार बनाया.
Yeah, I can make a party PVK.
Go ahead. Listen, TVK has the potential. It has got legs. It can go beyond Tamil Nadu. It can be what AAP didn't do.
Yeah, in the south at least.
No, it'll go beyond the south.
Beyond,
I'm telling you. It'll go beyond the south. You watch. I feel there's a big revolution in the air, and they're all going to be very worried. Where did it come from? It just came out of.
No, but he was campaigning.
No, he was campaigning.
They didn't take him
you
seriously.
cannot touch DMK, AIDMK. You cannot touch them. 50 years, nobody could touch them. Came from nowhere, bro. Young people are voting.
Yeah.
Now, of course, Bengal is a different story. So don't generalize. हम सब एक नहीं है, obviously, clearly, as we have been told time and again.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think we're going to discuss all these things in a few minutes anyway, so we won't waste time doing that. Let's first discuss your career.
Was there to discuss?
Between papad and career, you tell me whatever you prefer, we go for that.
It's like you saw how I came.
But every time we do a show, last minute you tell me what's my date. I'm giving you a chance to talk about because I know you work very hard. So what's going on? We are airing this on.
I think
next week, 14th, around the 14th.
अच्छा वैसा उसको करियर थोड़ी बोलता है just
14th 15th
Yeah,
करियर
so-
तो करियर क्या है फिर
हाँ
Mr. MBA
my career is actually I was train का pass that's my career
okay
yeah so I'm doing Thane on the 16th a show and then I'm
you
doing
say Khane
Thane
oh I was wondering what the hell is the guy's papad has gone into his brain
What?
I'm doing Khane what the fuck is that
Thane
He's doing a show in Thane on the
16th
16th
then I'm doing Andheri
but you think you're Elvis or what boss मैं इतना खबर काफी है
हाँ वो book
Thane what the
yeah they will just search on Bookmasters that's how it works
This is that Bill Burr and all work or what
It's not like they're going to the station.
Philadelphia done
तो क्या एड्रेस थोड़ी देना होता है वो लोग देखते थे खुद
fuck
yeah
if I don't have proper intel I'm walking around Thane looking for a show
ऐसा कोई नहीं
and it's
आता
a huge place bhai I'm thinking like my generation my parents generation they won't have what are they going to so
You know-
Thane mein hai but take a right you never tell us the place
I mean I wouldn't mind so
you don't have a booking you just know I'm going to Thane
अरे है
Uber Thane फिर देखिएगा
या स्ट्रीट प्ले
okay 16th Thane then
16 Thane at Backspace Club
Backspace is in Akash's thing in Parel
no but he has branches no because he's private private limited
Gujarati
Yeah, private-
देखा
yeah.
private limited
पैसा भी खुद
so
का नहीं
Backspace
किसी
is
और
also
का
in Thane and in Pune na I know
yeah there were Thane Pune Ahmedabad Lower Parel
not bad huh
yeah and now starting Bandra also
wow
yeah
that Habitat will become Backspace
no
huh
other way around
oh okay
या कोई बलराज भाई का इलाका में आएगा तो
he's very politically connected but not in the way he wants I mean he gets so much coverage
Yes, then I'm doing Andheri on the 24th.
Wow.
And then Andheri, yes. Wow, क्यों?
I know, wow, because I'm saying Thane is bad. But now looking for a place in Andheri where every bloody 2 feet there's a bar, there's a small restaurant. I mean, there's some uncle, there's a Mr. Sharma with a torch going, "Hey, police, my God, Andheri, chalo. What arrogance these comedians have, no? When I was a young man, we do plays with Sophia, 19th December, 7:30. Please be on time. Parking will be available. Blah, blah. Nothing. Andheri. The show doesn't have a name also.
Oh, I forgot 23rd I'm doing Ahmedabad also.
But 24th you're in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So just one day in Ahmedabad.
Yeah, overnight train, come back, take a bath.
Oh, IPL final is also Ahmedabad.
Yeah, so that's 31st.
31st.
So that
but it was not supposed to be. Up to 3 days ago, it was supposed to be Chinnaswamy, Bengaluru.
Yes.
And then for some reason, I wonder how they have this influence in Ahmedabad. It's as usual.
It's hard to
4
tell.
or 5 out of the last 6 IPL finals have been Ahmedabad, and 4 or 5 times it was supposed to be some other city. And last minute, Are Baba, sorry, next year.
So they're saying that Karnataka Cricket Association has asked for too many free passes.
I don't think that the
That's
thing
what
the
they're
thing is
saying.
they can't even blame the tragedy from the last final because they already played 4 matches at Chinnaswamy.
Yeah.
So now you can't say
Yeah.
oh kya hua? We already allowed 4
But
5
it's
games.
also more money because more seats. No?
much more seats.
Yeah.
But do people pay?
Oh, that's a good question. Gujarati is that.
We'll stop it. Calm down. I don't want to fight with any communities now. We need their love.
Half the show is gone then.
You already killed the Sindhi community, but you're allowed. It's like the N word, so we can't say anything.
Yeah, they don't
Right.
care anymore.
Right. You're not speaking in Sindhi. You don't know what you're talking about.
उनको कैसे आता थोड़ी उनको सिंधी
फिर but वो खत्री का क्या कहानी है फिर?
नहीं आता उसको.
नहीं उसको नहीं आते बट पब्लिक को आते थे ना.
Yeah.
तो फिर क्यों? There's some generation that can listen to Sindhi.
Yes,
You can talk Sindhi.
completely.
Can you do some Sindhi gag? A gag in Sindhi?
But they won't get it, no.
Doesn't matter. Nothing they get. What we say, whatever language, I'm not getting it anyway. Don't blame Sindhi. Let's see how it sounds. Small gag.
Small gag.
Yeah, anything. It may not be great. I'm sure. Don't put pressure. I just want to hear how it sounds when delivering it.
It sounds like.
Or translate your joke in English and do it in Sindhi.
Okay.
Chal, try.
નાના કે મલન આવ્યા हुआ માણો બિઝનેસ લાય તો નાના કે ઘણો ઘણો ચી મોર ફેક્ટરી હોય ને હી હુ હે માણો હલી ગયો ઓય નાની પૂછી કે તો હેડો સોઈ ચે તો કથે આઈને ફેક્ટરી તો એ હું લખી છોડી હું તો વગણી છડી ને.
Okay, I almost got it.
Yes.
What's the punchline? The factory is where?
He said I sold him off. Like so the joke is that guy came to meet Nana for business.
हाँ.
And नाना बहुत उसको पकाया मेरे पास ये फैक्ट्री है वो है ज़मीन है वमीन है चला गया. नानी ने क्या क्या बोला तो उसको कहाँ पे अपने पास ये सब बोलता मैंने रखा थोड़ी मैंने बेच दिया बाद में.
So you can do this show and do only 50% material.
Yeah.
Because every joke you translate. So 8 jokes is 16 jokes. Brother, I'm giving you an idea. I'm sharing with you. Andheri, you say whatever address you want to. Nana Supara, wherever you want to go, you go. No problem. Yeah? Think about it, bro.
Yeah.
This is the intelligence at its best, yaar. Chalo, done with what's coming up. Anything else? Are you touring outside India and all that?
नहीं
June?
I'm doing Hyderabad and Bangalore in June. So that's it.
Why don't you go? There's so many. Why don't you try Iran?
Huh? Through the strait.
Oh, stop it. Don't overdo it. It's a little insensitive. Are we ready for our show?
Yes.
Come, let's go. After the TMC's massive 2026 election loss to the BJP, Mamata Banerjee refused to step down, claiming a conspiracy. This passed the governor to officially dissolve the state assembly. This is... Bro, I wish I had my TV show, the one that you appeared on and all. We would have so much fun in these 3 elections.
Yeah.
Well, for Assam, but Assam was not that, controversial. Start to
Riveting.
finish, it was one
Yeah.
BJP party
Yeah.
thingy. But the other 3 were very good. And this one, it's like a Hindi film. I mean, there's so many twists and turns. I mean, there's also a lot of tragedy, which I won't get into, but it's just unbelievable. Your thoughts on, there's one thing, and I know that you're not the greatest fan of the center, but there's one YouTube doing the rounds of Mamata back in 2005 when she's a young firebrand and a little more weight, where she is screaming about the center not doing anything to stop the influx of immigrants. And then we have the Avatar 20 years later where the influx is encouraged by her. In a
Allegedly.
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 So what firstly, Puneet Pania, you're the political expert that we have here with the budgets that we have. We could not get Prashant Kishore. Also, Vijay wants him everywhere for now
yeah.
till he fucks up, which will be soon. So, no one called this election till the last minute when they had the exit polls.
No, but it seemed that BJP will make inroads for sure. But
Yeah.
200 was a lot.
They massacred TMC.
But the thing is, like,
So, give me reasons.
1 crore voters if you delete.
So, you're saying SIR alone has done
Yeah,
this?
because 10% already, look at the margin. No?
And it's a full 10% that would have gone to TMC.
No, even if a bit of it had.
Yeah.
No, even 5% can swing seats here and there. No?
Yeah. But in many cases, they've lost by a large number also, including our own personal seat.
Yeah.
But what do you.
But even on her seat in Bhawanipur, look at the deletions. The more than the margin.
So, you're saying this is the swing factor alone?
Big one. Big one. I mean, there is anti-incumbency for sure. 15
For sure.
years, anybody will get anti-incumbency.
What is the vikas that's been done by them?
Yeah, and we only know Kolkata. We haven't seen beyond that.
Yeah,
the state.
correct,
Whenever even
correct,
we
correct.
go, to
Yeah.
the बाकी का state में
Yeah,
क्या हो रहा है,
yeah,
you don't
yeah,
know. Not much is happening clearly.
Yeah.
So, power behaves the same way. When they come to power, they'll have all these stories. But once you're in power, you try to hold on by all means. So, I'm sure that
A lot of the TMC guys have gone on record making all kinds of comments saying how they will, FIR will be filed against X and Y and Z the moment May 4th happens and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
They were so sure of winning. In fact, Mamta at the time of recording is still sure of winning. she's not working.
I thought she had lost it with this, but
Yeah.
I think that the idea.
What's she doing now?
I think the idea was that if she does not resign, then it goes to president's rule, and then that is 6 months, and then there's re-election. I think that is what she was hoping.
I don't think that. Why will it go to president? They'll physically remove her, no?
No,
They can't.
they can't. I mean,
Of course they can. It's happened in many other
which
states.
is what
Tamil Nadu it's
which
happened.
is what he did eventually. He dissolved the whole thing.
Yeah.
But like, if she doesn't resign physically,
But then everyone will play this game, no?
I think this was the like back of the envelope kind of
I
calculation.
think she just wanted them to recount.
Count वापिस वही करेगा ना.
Sometimes, no, in Bengali, sometimes the translation is here and there, no? Ok.
ओक
Bo.
ऐसा काउंट करेगा 4 साल हो जाएगा ऐसे ही.
Yeah, exactly. एक साल तो पकड़ो ना कम से कम. Okay, so does this mean the BJP now has conquered the east? They've got Bihar, they've got Bengal, the two big states.
Look at the map. It's like the Maratha Empire now.
Yeah. Oof.
Yeah, that's how they show you in history, no? How the empire is. This is what it is. This is the empire is spreading.
So what's going to happen? The resistance against the center is becoming.
Now आप इस comedy show Zoom पे करने का.
That's it.
Yeah. That's how we look at it. एक और
So let
share
me
करो.
understand one thing. What you're saying is basically there's the BJP alliance and supporters, and then there's Kunal Kamra. That's it.
Yeah, and sometimes Zurati.
But he's in Germany, so it doesn't count.
Yeah.
There's Kunal Kamra is facing the bullets here. The Pondicherry lost, by the way. BJP won.
Yeah.
He's in Pondicherry.
Nee, he's Tamil Nadu technically. He's on this side of the border.
Just message to the center. Kunal Kamra is in Pondicherry. Just as a matter of observation.
You think they don't know by now?
Ajay, the moment they won the Pondicherry seats,
They were already there in Pondi.
Ah.
They retained.
so now where's Kunal Kamra?
He's Tamil Nadu, no?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, is Kunal Kamra now in Nicobar Islands and there's no internet, so we have no hearing or joke from him?
No, I think this is a good system. Like, as a democracy, we are evolving. So, how America has a two-party system. So,
Yeah.
we are now ahead. We have one-party system.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
So, isn't that
But
better?
in that sense, North Korea also has a one-party system. I mean, there's so many countries.
No, but see, even-
successful one-party system.
Very successful.
Yeah,
so,
yeah,
like Kim Jong also has elections, right? But he had 99.4%.
So who will stand against you when you're doing one party?
Your own people will stand as no? Like a friendly match.
Like a friendly match.
Yeah.
Okay. And they'll accept defeat before counting also.
Yeah. And they will also celebrate themselves.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
guys
yeah.
who lost. Yeah.
Sorry. I got excited with the theme. I would win a seat, finally just join the party.
Yeah.
Done. Yeah.
So like Kim Jong has 99.4% vote share.
Yeah, yeah.
So BJP is a long way to
Oh, I
go.
would like to know who that 0.6 in North Korea is.
Yeah. Oh, उसका
Must be
cousin
some
ही होगा.
Chinese guys who started trading their own, didn't see the memo. Yeah.
So now BJP is still a long way from there.
Yeah,
so they're
yeah,
trying.
yeah.
No, it's good.
But what do you think ground reality of TMC is that the people are happy?
From what I heard, like people wanted them out. Yeah, at many levels, and also the goons are there. You used to be seeing the violence. The post-poll violence is like a ritual.
So the data out there is that Bengal is the most politically violent state.
Yeah.
And has been for some time. Don't blame TMC. It's been there before.
Yeah,
well
before because the same goons, no, they joined Mamta's party,
Yeah.
and because they are freelancers.
Yeah.
No, the
No, I can explain it in terms of Bengali pride because when Saurav Ganguly was playing for Pune
Yeah.
against Kolkata Knight Riders in Kolkata in the stadium, Eden
Yeah.
Gardens, people were cheering for Pune. Yeah. It was like Saurav's in Pune. Forget this other team. I'm just putting it out there as a
Yeah.
possibility. I don't
Yeah.
know. But
But there, see, Saurav is also non-biological, no, in that state. So that's how the following.
I'm going to leave it there. Don't pick on my poor Saurav Ganguly. It's one thing to attack these big parties and all that. All right. Okay, so we still, at the time of recording, we still don't know how this is going to fully play out. All we know is that TMC is going kicking and screaming, so it's a bit of a problem for the process.
She'll go to court.
But here's the hypocrisy. The process here is where she's looking like, what the hell are you doing? But with the TVK coming up with 13 or 14 seats.
108.
108 plus 6, right? So the Congress seats.
No, 5. And Vijay has 2, so he'll have to step down from 1.
One goes.
107 plus, so he needs like, I don't know, 6 more.
He needs about 5 more is the last I remember.
Yeah.
But my point is, where the governor should have basically normally would have said, here's so much time to go and prove the majority.
Yeah.
They said, no, I can't see the thing. I wonder how that
This
happens.
is the same governor that even Stalin ko wo bahut, he was like coming in the way. But
Is it because the governor is not is chosen by the center and is, what is, I would like you to say it. I would not like to say it. I'm just a moderator.
At this point, nobody denying that. No?
Yeah.
They're all plants. All
No,
of them.
because there are many cases where Goa in the past, for example, where BJP was not the strongest party, not in the largest party, but they still formed the government. They were allowed to.
Yeah.
They gave a petition saying,
Yeah,
give us some
with
time.
Shinde Sena going to Assam. Yeah.
All that.
Completely different rules.
So, okay. So
And you saw how many times AAP was cock blocked in Delhi also.
what kind of line?
They all men, no, it's okay.
Huh.
This is what men do.
Not really, huh? As far as I remember, they had a serving chief minister who was a woman. But anyway, we won't get into that.
One last thing. What is your take on like Vijay being also like a decoy? So there's a theory that like BJP can't defeat DMK right up, straight up. So then
They use the third party system.
Yeah. So one term he will criticize them, and next term he'll become.
But he's been very critical, so that's a bit odd.
But so was Chadda, no?
Yeah. My God, Chadda was the founding father of the movement.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. So it's a conspiracy, but you can't trust anybody anymore in this.
But Joseph Vijay Chandrasekhar looks like he's starting a pan-India movement.
Yeah. It is inspiring.
It could be the next AAP. Except that AAP went off the rails. AAP initially...
But it's also because they went after AAP so hard, no? And already case aa gaya uske samne.
That's true, but even before that, they seem to have internal issues and all. Now look at this.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, losing your soldiers in the middle of the battle, defecting and all that is not fun, yaar.
It happened to him also.
Yeah. They put him in jail for 1 year. You forget that also. One
Yeah.
whole year.
Yeah.
Not easy. I'm not saying that we are fans.
But so one is Governor Tangadara already, and there's a case already filed against him. You know, against Vijay.
Already?
Yeah, already.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could something.
By?
Random.
Well-wisher.
Yeah, well-wisher.
Let's see the next.
There's enough of those.
Which was that match where you literally flew into the stumps?
What do you mean, which was that match? It was the match, the only game that launched my career.
There are two main arms of the Indian system. In military, we have the infantry and cavalry and all of those things.
Did you say cavalry?
I did.
How old are you?
Well, not as old as you are. Lots to come on
Yeah.
John T on the Dock Season 1.
Can't wait. And please, don't change the shirt.
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, that's great.
I promise. For the entire series,
Sounds-
I'm going to wear the same shirt.
All right, back here. We had to take a quick break. Our battery fell out when we were discussing certain governmental restrictions. I don't know whether there's someone involved or not, but our soundman is fast asleep.
Soundman is gone. He's given up.
The UDF won in Kerala, so he's very happy.
ऐसा है क्या?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
He's part of the alliance.
क्या होगा? What will change? You think now?
He wants Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Dr. Shashi
Yeah,
Tharoor
every
to be-
couple of-
to be CM. Yeah. The CM, that's another movie. Let's first get the party in to form the government, then we'll talk about who's the CM. Let's go to our next question.
Yes, our
Mumbai
favorite
railway
topic.
station see 1,179 surge in spitting and littering penalties. For those who don't know, littering is Indians forget what is very much part of our Sanskriti. We must never forget about spitting and littering. In April this year, WR officials booked 2,657 commuters for spitting and littering at station premises, nearly 12 times the 227 cases recorded in April 25.
Yes.
12 times more. And keep in mind, they are separate for littering and spitting. If you do it together, it's not counted. Right? That's also there. Bro, I just came in, turned the car into this where we work, which is also Banner police station. The police van behind me. The guy driving, the driver, opened the door and spat out. The station is here, our building is here, he spat there. There's no hope. He's a cop.
Yeah.
There's no hope.
He can spit.
So what did you find himself? Jaidev, काय करतो? 500.
Nee, then he'll also say, "Can don't say ठीक है." He'll bargain also with himself. See, this is a very feel-good story because what it shows is that spitting, like in some things, the country is very rich.
Yes.
Overall, we are a poor country.
Correct.
But there is richness in spitting. So this is a
It
resource.
was an Olympic sport, boss. Imagine, never would have lost a medal.
Yeah, the spitting is happening everywhere.
Yeah.
It's just up to you how much you want to find.
But can I add also, rich people also spit, huh? I've seen enough people spit
On,
from
on, the
fancy...
on the servants.
Not that's necessary. I'm just kidding. No, but I'm just saying it's a very secular thing. Huh? A lot of people spit. People chew pan, for example, whether you're rich or poor. You have to. How do you get rid of pan? It's not like people are carrying like a vase or vase or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Come on,
Yeah.
you have to spit.
There's a word for it. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Spittoon, English में.
Pindan. नहीं, pindan.
हाँ. Pindan. So who's carrying that?
Yeah, dan meaning you're
That's if you're a guru and you have your chamcha with you. It's a different story altogether, brother. I mean, that's a real. I mean, as an Indian leader myself, that would be chamche, and then it's a privilege to catch the thuk, like that, of the master.
Yeah. There's some gurus who do that, no? Like in a big pan, they will spit and then
Compared to what some other gurus do with ladies and all that, I mean, that's not the worst crime. Then I'd rather,
I think
So, bro, you're the real expert. As a political expert as well. As a real expert, no, you travel all the time. You like to travel, you like to walk. What is your feeling? Is the spitting
I don't like
being brought
to
under
is-
control by 12 times more fines?
I think it's much cleaner, the stations.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is
then earlier.
translating into success.
Not this particular. Overall, I see that the trend is it is cleaner. And I see people cleaning up like regularly.
Such without Puneet, have you ever spat?
नहीं,
एक बार भी नहीं?
नहीं,
One angry day
नहीं.
when you are frustrated and
आदत
upset?
ही नहीं है.
No,
नहीं.
I have.
Like out of like ऐसा as
I wanted to fit in more. I felt कि बस इसमें कुछ है. They seem so happy. Let me also try it. So I also tried. And once you do it once, boss, you really enjoy it.
yeah.
And the best part is if you make sounds, like some Indian males make sounds before tuhawing on the road.
Yeah.
The moment you make those sounds, now people start, their respect is like Virat Kohli is coming to bat.
This
Their respect, some jale pe, and everybody, the crowd you get, it's better than stand up, brother.
Yeah.
I'm saying just do this. It's going to be huge spitting.
for 1 hour.
Yeah.
And this will be beyond language.
You've never spat? You've never gone on those, what are those things called that we used to go in childhood, those things that went round and round?
Merry-go-round.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. Yeah.
It's called that, merry-go-round, whatever.
yeah.
You've never spat from there?
नहीं.
Because the spit goes right into the next cabin, yeah. They're trapped. Akash is laughing. Once you're in that now, supposing me and Punita are in one, and this couple are kissing and all in one, because a lot of people use that as a public, and then you spit, till the time it stops, it's turning there, like Hima. The Bhelpuri is being made. They're stuck inside. It is a very, very mean thing you've done, because the spit is with them. Oh, wow. They're going round. You can't move properly, Where are you going to clean yourself? The spit stays.
No,
But it's a
this
great...
this is a cat question. No? If I'm sitting in a Ferris wheel and there's a couple in the third row,
Yeah.
if I spit now, then will they get married or not?
Yes.
That kind of a
It's a
question.
very intellectual, challenging dilemma that we brought up. Yeah. What about littering? I go to Oval Maidan every day with my dogs, every day, and looking around. Every day there's more plastic, there's more bottles, there's more snacks, there's more everything.
Yeah.
They're all educated people, mostly 80-90%. Their corporate matches are being played. These guys are people like you who are playing, literally like you and me are playing.
Yeah.
And the whole place is a mess. And we asked the Mali and he said, ये लोग समझता नहीं मैं बोलता है उसको, because people don't respond only when he says dustbin में डालो. They just don't respond. It's like,
मेरा काम नहीं, caste system. Somebody else will do it.
No, I don't think the dustbin idea has really hit Indians. It's not a concept really in our country. People don't take the time to go and find the dustbin to put things away. Nothing.
So the world is my toilet.
So try littering also.
Yeah, I think there you can't complain because plastic's made by Ambani largely. So yeah. The problem is plastic is too cheap, right? You have to make it more expensive from a regulatory point of view.
I'm talking about littering, not about the process of what they're using. So now just be
But
careful. You're
that's-
jumping the gun with your anti-corporate and you want to destroy the corporate before that. I'm talking about the common man
What
being...
is anti-corporate now?
But what about the common man's manners? That's got nothing to do with what they make.
अरे नहीं,
They make cars
if you
secondary.
want to change behavior, to change regulation.
Change the human beings.
You can't educate 1 billion people.
You can.
We don't
Send
want
them to China for 2 years. Bring them back. Different people. Of course, names will change. You were Chandrasekhar. Now I'm Ling Chong Wan. Okay, whatever. But at least you're not going to be dirty.
See, the zero civic sense thing is trending if you've seen,
Yeah,
and which is true.
it's so correct. Yeah.
But the thing is, no, you've been brought up like that कि ये कचरा साफ करना मेरा काम नहीं है, कचरा मैं कर रहा हूँ, काम मेरा नहीं है ना.
But we've done these bakras in 99, 2000 and all, where we catch people spitting, urinating and all. It's amazing if you have a straight conversation that logic. So one guy, I remember, for spitting.
While he's peeing.
No, so you have to set up where people... Peeing is easier because you know where they come. Spitting, you have to just keep walking till you find someone. But the thing is, you ask him, sir, ab thuk kyun mara, yahan pe kyun, and all that. In a serious way, you're asking him. The guy says, this is the answer. Either they karega to kahan pe karu? That now I have to answer. Now you tell me कि बैंक कहाँ है, जगह कहाँ है, मेरे को दिखाओ, and then I'll go there. And I'm like, that's not the idea of this whole thing. So he's all hurt. दिखा ना? Because of course I have to मारो मैं थूक somewhere. So now you come. Give me your hands. Here you go.
So he's flipped it completely.
Flipped it. Screwed us, man. We can't do any social commentary in this country. You try and you fail. You just feel like a failure. I remember going back talking to my family and saying, we tried this. We thought it was a nice thing to do because it's like socially engineering sort of change. Rubbish. Nothing. I only changed. I came back and spat on everyone, all my neighbors. I said, well, I don't care anymore.
But debate-wise, this is a great comeback.
It's a great comeback. I didn't have an answer. I remember this very clearly.
The only thing better I heard in a Q&A is like when Modi ji was asked, no,
अरे
कि
पहला अंबानी अभी मोदी जी मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है
पर एक ही तो है लीडर कंट्री में, तो किसका बात करेगा
वो तो सही है कौन लीडर कौन है दोनों में से
हाँ, एक ही लीडर एंड ओनर आर डिफरेंट.
Please keep close on the guest. Please leave me out of this. I like to talk to fashionistas and that kind of. This is not for me.
No, but the spitting thing reminded me that when he was asked before the last election कि like there's a lot of income disparity in the country. तो बोला क्या सबको गरीब बना दे क्या फिर? And what a great answer.
That's a good answer.
Yeah, great answer.
Yeah, you gotta give it to him. That's a good answer. Yeah. That's a good point. Okay, I might vote there. I might give my vote there. Be very careful. So let's go to the next. Yuzi Chahal caught vaping on a team flight, but before that, it was Rajasthan Royals captain Parag. Ryan Parag was caught means how they actually have cameras. The people have nothing to do. The matches on the field, they're still showing somebody inside the dressing room hidden somewhere with vape. I mean, who does that?
Too many cameras, no?
Too many cameramen. Also, people with nothing to do. This is the same guy who's spitting. He's not watching the game. He's trying to spit. Dekha! On a shot. But using a clip from Arshdeep Singh's team travel log. Okay, so Arshdeep is famous for making all these small logs. He's a little younger than the rest, so he's a little bit more internet savvy.
ये सब भी हो रहा है.
No, I'm giving the background. Rezi caught the Punjab Kings spinner using an e-cigarette mid-flight. So Yuzi is one of the last people who smokes in cricket. After Shane Warne, there's very few.
I thought it was the last people who spins.
He doesn't tolerate that much, but he does smoke. What's your thoughts? So they made a big deal out of this whole vaping and...
But in flight.
But in some countries, like I think my daughter's in Spain at the moment, the vaping is allowed in Spain.
But in flights. This is in the flight, right?
Yeah, in flights it shouldn't be allowed, I suppose, but I'm not sure, bro. I don't make the laws. Between vaping and spitting, I'm more worried about spitting. This is my personal belief. I find spitting much worse than
because
vaping.
DNA is involved in it.
Yeah, and also vaping is destroying your own body. No? What's it to me? End of the day.
Yeah.
So, आपका क्या
There is
है?
a very simple solution for this. No, Yuzi he likes wearing.
Go by train.
No, he likes wearing message T-shirts.
Yeah.
Yuzi. So he can wear a new T-shirt which will say that vape where you don't get caught or don't get caught where you vape. Simple.
Is this based on the fact that you saw him outside divorce court with a shirt?
No, even later he put up a shirt. Like very famously, if you know.
That's because after divorce they only leave you with your shirt. सब कुछ नहीं बचा है. What's your view on vaping? It's a little confusing.
It's very more damaging because you have more of it, no? Because you can have it anywhere, and there's all these girly flavors are there. So
What did you say? So become me, making all these toxic comments. Girly flavors are there.
yeah, what is ice strawberry, dude?
I like it. Exactly. I just like the name. I don't
Exactly.
vape.
Some of the people, like all bulked up people, having this small little chuch kar raha hai.
But don't you think people have some crutches in life? I mean, trying to imagine that human beings are angels. What are you going to do?
No, but you end up having more because you feel this is safer than a cigarette.
But the effects to the body are the same, no?
No, but you have more of it, no? So throughout the day.
More aggressive intent from the vapor.
Yeah, more volume.
Should he be punished? Ryan Parag was given some match fee suspension or whatever.
Yeah, because young people watching.
What the hell? Young
Influence.
people are watching this show. You know what things we have said?
But very few, no? I watch.
Oh, that's true. Most of them they age while watching, so
Yes,
yeah, it's a little
yes.
different. But you believe the action should be taken
Yeah,
in the court.
yeah.
But when we were growing up, people like Shane Warne and all the boundaries would be smoking and it would be
But
just
you
open.
could smoke in a plane also at one
Yeah,
point.
true,
no?
true.
The world has changed.
I'm saying that like I'm very sad. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You understand? No?
What do you
These
think
two guys go running to smoke. So I feel a little bad because my dad was a big smoker. My friend Kunal, huge smoker. And when I was young, it was such a cool thing.
Yeah.
All the dads who smoked, they all looked up to them like cool guys. And you know, Kunal and gang,
Like
we'd go
the
out.
Gary Lawyer song, no?
Yeah, what is it?
Cigarette in my hand, I
Yeah.
felt like a man.
Yeah.
What a great song.
Yeah. And something else in my other hand, not so much. But how it changed, man. Overnight it changed. Now they're the people you look at, oh, they're going to smoke. Or people start doing this initiative. The guy smoked 3 days ago. Yeah.
But he didn't take a bath, no? That's why.
Yeah.
And he came by train like me.
But we are saving water. But there's a water shortage in Mumbai from tomorrow. Be very careful.
Yes.
But luckily not in Malabar Hill. Because that Varsha is there, boy. Mukhyamantri ka residence वहाँ पे. You want to deprive our leader? And our leaders, Sayadri guest house, everything is there.
He can go to Davos and have all the water he wants.
That's true. And he can go in one day and come back also.
Yes.
Because we have private planes now.
Yeah.
Cool. All
But,
right. Having taken shots at Maharashtra, Delhi, Bengal, and Tamil Nadu, we still have to do.
Are short thodi hai. We're just discussing current affairs.
You are discussing. I am talking about spitting. I have not gone into anything. Spitting and littering. I was only on those two subjects. You gone where? Leader, this, that, owner. I'm not getting into it. It's not for me. We are small people. They
Malabar
answer,
Hill bola abhi.
they answer phone even at 1 a.m. Burj Khalifa builder Muhammad Alabar praises work ethics of Indians. It's because they're looking for dates. Why are they open at 1 a.m. to phone calls? Looking for pleasure. We are famous for that.
What?
We search for pleasure at 1 a.m. Indians.
No, he meant employees. Like,
Huh? So why are we awake?
real.
In our culture, you look for action at 1 a.m.
अच्छा. वास्तु के हिसाब से that's the-
Unfortunately, employer calls you up, you've taken the phone. You can't say, hi, Jemima, how are you? You can't, you know, I mean, it's the way it is. But okay, honestly,
So
we
then-
do work hard abroad.
But this is a very backhanded compliment, no?
Yeah.
It means that like no, we are like laborers.
It's a patronizing comment, is what you're saying.
It is. And he doesn't even realize because he's a sheikh, no? I think it's a very backhanded compliment.
But keep in mind that they've sent back a lot of the Pakistani employees in this war because the Iran keeps attacking UAE, etc.
Yeah.
But no Indians, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, they are on great terms with us, and all
Yeah.
the money comes back from there.
Correct.
And we also get Lulu Mall from there. So,
Of course, we'll deny that. Yeah.
but you got in a very different twist. You're saying 1 a.m. is a booty call.
Well, not exactly. I'm saying that.
So boss is calling you, send me the email, and you're like, open my attachment first. Is वैसा?
See, exactly. Indians are not early morning people. So late night is when you should be evening in Western culture. So where they go out at 6 in the evening, we start at midnight. It's like that.
Yeah.
Then we get up a little later. They get up at
Or
5.
maybe he's working on Dubai time and the workers are still on Indian
It's
time.
only 1.5 hour
Or they're
difference.
watching KBC.
Only 1.5 hour difference.
Yeah.
What's the KBC joke?
But do you think Dubai will survive this? You think?
100%.
100%.
Yeah. I'm hoping there's no more war. Firstly, they'll survive it. But it's a call to reason that they've got to figure out a little bit, that life beyond what they have.
It seems they said no to US now. At least Saudi has said no, right?
Well, they've temporarily tried to remove the soldiers, or
Yeah.
there's some token removal of soldiers,
Yeah.
etc. But I don't see in the long run that changing too much. Once this war is settled, and hopefully while we speak, our good friends Donald Trump and whoever the hell is running Iran, we're not sure, but it's not anyone from Leopold Cafe. Hopefully they'll come to some agreement. And if they
Yeah.
do, then we'll see what the damages are. Because the damages for all these Gulf countries also has
It's
been
also
decent.
huge, yeah.
We'll
Yeah.
have to see. I feel very sad. I'm a big fan of Dubai. I've gone there a lot. I have good
Because they have
memories.
AC everywhere.
AC everywhere.
Yeah, see, that's it.
And the drivers normally from our part of the world, they'll tell you, sir, बैठो अंदर. जब तक गाड़ी नहीं आती आप अंदर ही बैठो. Because if you dare feel if you're in the summer there and you actually step out, those 30 seconds people just disappear.
Just like right now.
Yeah. Right now everywhere.
Yeah.
It's two different cultures.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there is a heat wave, right, in India.
There's a horrible heat wave. Yeah. TMC was affected. Voters didn't turn up. Yeah. Chalo, next.
Yeah, it's so hot is orange.
A bride in MP's Chindwa suddenly ran off the stage during Varmala moment. She went straight to her lover. Oh, boss,
There's a video also.
where is the what is it? Aditya Dhar and all? We've got a new movie now. Forget Dharwandar. I've got a romance we have to get into.
Yeah.
Who was present? They hugged him and put the Varmala. Oh my God, around his neck. Is this
Wow.
real?
Yeah,
Really happened?
there's we don't see her doing it. The video is
What
just
about the relatives, the parents, and all that?
they fought, obviously.
But it was huge insult
Yeah,
to them.
yeah. It'll haunt.
And caterer never gives the money back. I was trying to call off my wedding last minute. No, abhi to ho gaya.
That's why you got married.
I mean, there's no. You don't let down the entire family, na, by
Acha.
the kind of money that would. They take it upfront, yaar. They charge per head, but
She
still.
literally jumps off stage in the whole sari ka hata hai.
Wow.
And of
Why
course,
couldn't they just have this conversation before?
she must have, no? The Indian parents.
They just refused to allow her.
Yeah.
What about the poor groom?
Poor groom is asking for refund, no?
But maybe he was in love with her picture. Sorry, we should make fun.
No, he was in love with the horoscope.
Oh,
like
with the
that's how it works.
Only matched.
Yeah.
Gone.
We
So,
don't.
what's the end of this story? Do you know the end of this story?
End of story, violence, no?
वो तो है उसके बाद क्या होगा?
How, then we not follow.
Does she go back to the lover? What is the final? Can anyone out there, if you know the full stories, if you are part of this family, can you please tell us हुआ क्या? कहानी का अंत क्या है उसमें? Because I think
first
this,
they beat the lover up, of course.
of course.
Yeah, and
He
then
बेचारे came alone to the entire parivar of both sides. I mean, that is not going to be a friendly fire
you think
situation.
he was gate crashing? You think he was undercover?
No. I think she must have told him, "You come there, and I'll prove to you that I love you." Otherwise, why will he come? Why will he come? I just hope कि खाने के बाद this happens, so at least he's eaten. Because after that, he's eaten, then he's beaten. You know, it's just not working.
You think he came undercover as a waiter वहाँ पे ऐसा?
You think? Oh, in our movie, you, me, Aditya Dhar, when we make this film,
वो गुलाब जामुन दे रहे हैं, and then suddenly
I like
Varmala
this. I like this twist. Yeah. And he's just there, and she goes running, and you think she's going to some handsome guy who's in a full sherwani and all that, and it's this guy in the uniform.
Yeah.
And she pushes the gulab jamun, but she's a podgy girl, and she takes one, and then she gives it. ठीक है ना? On the way, slight distract हो गया, फिर भी पंगा लिया मैंने
it's-
परिवार के साथ. Come on, यार, show some respect. This is love and gulab jamun. That's our title, Love and Gulab
Gulab
Jamun,
Jamun.
from the makers of Dhurandhar.
चेतन भगत का novel
We
लग
don't
रहा
even
है.
need Ranveer Singh. We need a fat actor.
Pudgy.
हाँ, we need a podgy actor. हाँ.
Body positive है. See, I
Oh,
like
sorry,
it.
sorry. Body positive actor.
Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
Whatever. We'll find. No, actress. Actor is not important. Actor is the waiter. Actress is the
But
problem.
what about the Dahej now?
I see now they don't pay in money, no.
हाँ.
So to return the fridge and the Toyota Innova, I mean that's not going to be easy. अब भी parking मिल गया, अभी नहीं देगा. And fridge का अभी also पूरा wiring sharing set हो गया, अभी वापस कैसे दूँ? I feel this is going to be tough.
You think they should have Dahej insurance in India?
No, I think instead of Dahej, they should have a proper contract where you do all whatever you want to, agree to both parties that, you know, this is what we are going to do.
Yeah.
And then you have to honor it. And if the lady jumps off the stage, then you're stuck. That's
There's
the
no
way it is.
prenup in India, no?
There is,
There is.
if you have gunfire.
So that's the insurance.
Yeah, I mean the old days, good old days, yaar. Spitting ke pehla, yaar.
One wedding I'd heard of was like in a hotel, like in a Taj hotel. They met a guy who was working there. So he's saying that the day before the wedding, no, the groom was making out with somebody.
This is a famous story from a famous sports person.
वापस जुबी.
Nee. I'm not taking names. I'm very fond of her, so I will not. I'll let
No,
it
this
go.
is some wedding in Taj somewhere. Of
But this must have happened many times, yaar.
Yeah, and then both the parties started fighting. They trashed the entire hotel, like full Royal Rumble.
See, a lot of men don't understand that you have to be faithful after marriage. Then no one tells them that that's part of the deal.
No, you don't have to get caught.
हाँ, you definitely don't get caught.
Faithful तो
Because
कोई भी
the
नहीं
law-
है.
हाँ, exactly. Speak for yourself, huh? मेरी बीवी का picture है आपके पास. Why do you have a picture, you bastard? Yeah, but I want to know the end of this story. Akanksha, we can go to the next, but if anyone knows what happened, I want to know कि end में क्या हुआ.
Yeah, some follow up. No,
Yeah,
we never follow up only. No.
Because I don't want to use the word happy ending, but you know what I mean. Next.
There's one more very inspiring story.
Wow.
There's one more.
How do you know the story before the story comes? You're only wondering.
हाँ पलाश भेजता है ना मेरे को. कुछ लोग काम
You're
करता है
giving,
IVF.
away, you're giving away a secret.
अच्छा ऐसा तो दिस सपोज टू स्पॉन्टेनियसली अपीयरिंग, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
It is like voting in India. It is spontaneous gesture by the public, yaar. Woman jailer fell in. Arey wow, you got some good stories. Fell in love with murder convict, marries him after his life sentence. So बेंचो तो 2 life sentence मिला. Look at his bad luck. Who's his lawyer? Me lord, I'm a victim again.
No, it's a layered story.
Is it true?
Yeah, it's a very layered story.
बोलो.
So the guy was in prison, but he was on good behavior. So they let him do the paperwork, help out with the whatever.
Better jobs, huh?
Yeah. So usme he got to interact, like how colleagues marry.
But don't you, as a professional, don't you know when you enter that place, you're not to fall in love with an inmate?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little too much.
That to murder. Maybe that was a turn on for her.
That he'll never come out so she can have other men.
Oh, I didn't think of it that way.
Great marriage. He'll be, I love you, now go back.
And he's not on Facebook also, so he
no
can't
chance.
talk.
Yeah.
So, no,
But life sentence is 14 years still, no?
Yeah, ho gaya uska.
So there's a hope. Ho gaya?
He's out, he's married now.
They are together outside?
Yeah.
Then it's a happy love story here.
Yeah. No,
See,
but there are more layers to it.
Tell us.
But see, how in an office people, they get involved, no, because there's no life outside office.
Not here in this office.
No, you're not allowed, no? Not allowed, no? No. Allowed ही नहीं है, okay.
Allowed nahi. And then we respect rules.
So, the lady is a Muslim. The guy is a Hindu. So it's reverse love jihad.
Okay.
So this
But she's the one with the baton.
But so here the VHP is supporting the marriage.
Oh.
Yeah. So the girl.
But he has to convert to Hinduism.
No, he did. Yeah, he did a Vedic ritual. Like when he did a Hindu.
I mean,
ritual.
after murder and all that,
Yeah.
can't cling to religion. Yeah,
Also, he changed his name on the क्या बोलते हैं उसको invite card.
to what? Lover. What's in?
Like his.
They had a proper wedding.
Yeah.
They called people.
Yeah, and the girl's family is not on board with this because maybe religion,
But all
but
the
also
inmates attended.
हाँ,
But that's his family.
in the uniform. Yeah.
In uniform, yeah. And then served the girl because she was the only non-inmate. Huh?
Yeah, and so the VHP made the wedding happen.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Which means religion itna problem nahi hai. Patriarchy is more important.
True.
Yeah. So if the girl is Muslim, is all fine.
Yeah. It's always the gender's fault. That's what we're learning.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
But,
But it's a great story.
it's a great story. But does she keep her job?
Huh?
Because
of
ये
course.
होगा ना जैसा you have these contracts, you cannot cohabit with the employees and whatever.
No, but he's out now, no? Unless he kills again.
No, but they had the romance inside.
Yeah.
No, he will kill again. He got married for God's sake. Frustration तो बहुत होगा. सिर्फ थूक मार के नहीं होता है आपको satisfaction. You have to do more than that. It's a matter of time. I give it 6 months.
What is all these references, baton and spitting and all? Like, what kind of videos are you watching, Cyrus?
Bro, if you're talking about SNM, so I don't need to watch. I just live in a world which is controlled by these factors. You have no idea. And not in a pleasurable way, my brother.
अच्छा जिम में ये सब हो रहा है क्या सुबह सुबह?
Gym में कुछ नहीं होता है. Gym में my good friend Madhubai comes and does this workout. And when I try to tease him, they tell me don't, he's old. I say, but what is he doing?
Neck exercise कर रहा है. Neck exercise.
Then he also does this.
What?
I also thought it was vulgar,
Yeah.
but he said some doctor told him to do this for blood in the fingers.
और जिम में करने का आगे घर पे नहीं कर सकते.
Brother, my lat is paining. I'm falling apart. I'm trying to lift weights, and I look around and I don't know what they're doing. I honestly, I feel like crying. I feel like crying.
So old guy
sometimes.
doing this.
Yeah. He's a lovely guy, but he's really funny in the gym. I don't know what he's doing. Today he yawned and he rubbed his eyes while walking. He went like. At which point my lat was spinning, trying to do deadlifts, and I'm just thinking, shall I continue or shall I stop? And I look at that and think, what am I doing here? Why am I even here? He seems happier. He seems very fit in his own way.
Yeah.
And and that's it. And there's no nervous system involved in the workout. There's no sweating. There's no pain. There's no mood swing.
Yeah.
There's no performance kind of.
Maybe he's doing Tai Chi.
It's worse. Tai Chi is a lot harder. I don't know what this is. This is literally it's called existing.
Yeah.
It's just existing, nothing more.
Yeah.
I feel like a failure.
How? It must be very old, no?
No, he's 83. He's a great guy. Great guy. We talk women and all. Huh? He loves his ladies. So everything is normal.
He's a Parsi guy.
No, Guju. But we get
My
along
God.
very well.
Yeah.
We get along very well. But in the gym, and he's not alone. People are just ridiculous. There's one woman who just lies on her back and puts her legs up and then does some cycling. And does this for about 5-10 minutes and then she disappears. I don't know what the fuck. I mean, there are cycles there also, you know. You can turn the cycle like this and go under it and then do the same thing if you want to. I don't know, man. Sometimes I really feel like I'm nuts. I think I'm the only person lifting weights.
Yeah.
And I'm the only person, you know,
So
who's dying
old
inside.
guy is doing this, lady is doing cycling.
It's also the pace of which how he does it. He goes first. First I thought he was looking for his shoulder. Then I realized he's doing this as some sort of, you know,
Yeah.
workout. And then this comes out slowly like this, the hands.
Yeah.
And not full stretch here. And then like table tennis balls, mind you. The small one. and they're reps. They're reps. He reps it. 7-8 reps are there. And at some point he gets bored of the reps. And he stops. That's it.
Shouldn't old people be faster? They don't have much time left.
Brother, I can't be more vicious than I am. I try to push them all. I see all kinds of things. But I fail.
So the old guy is doing this and then you're like pushing.
I'm screaming, shouting, charging, falling, hurting, holding, release spray, this, that. Everything is happening with me. It's like a whole movie going on there. And this is a documentary about flowers. You know, at the same time. So you got Dhurandhar 2 and you got documentary on flowers happening in the same area. And then what was the other lady? I mean, you have no idea. There's one member who comes and tells him, Dinesh, please, मेरे को गिन के बताओ कितना rep. And she comes to a lat puller and go and do a half movement like this down to her chest or something. 1, 2, 3. Because it's a job he has to do. He has to count. And he must be thinking, I hate this person. 4, 5, 5. Brother, it's. We have to write a book about this. It's very painful.
This is a whole show actually.
Because nobody understands that it's actually quite an extreme sport to come there and then throw yourself at it. And they just come there and hang around.
Yeah.
And they aren't fined. It's
Maybe
worse
they're
than
lonely.
spitting.
They're lonely.
100% lonely.
Because do you take touch from people? Do you take support?
You mean spot?
Sup-
You
sup-
want Madhubhai to spot me?
Spot.
You want Madhubhai to come and spot me?
हाँ spot. मधुबाई नहीं
Who? That lady?
कोई तो होगा ना जिम में.
किनके बताओ? That lady.
Because
There's another guy who comes in with his hands on his hips. The body language is like already over. He just comes like this and looks.
maybe he's a BMC guy.
They come later. Early morning nobody.
Because I find people who take support is very homoerotic. No?
Spot, you mean?
Spot, yeah.
Huh.
No, because like he's
So
encouraging
what
you.
in squatting? In squatting is homo. Why is it in bench pressing?
Bench press also, no.
Maybe just to put it back sometimes because that's a dangerous
No, but
spot.
like you're yelling, you're like, come on, 2 more, come on, you can do it. You can. And then they're sweating at the end, you're out of breath.
Bro, I have a couple of people I can ask for spotting, but I'm not calling them random joker because I've done it once.
Yeah.
And this guy tilted my thing and all because I don't lock weights. And it all went down, then it went like that, broke everything on the other side.
You don't lock weights because it's too girly to lock.
Not girly, I don't feel comfortable because in case there's a problem, I can always move things around and all. I don't like them fixed like that. Why are you asking me these
It's
questions?
basic safety.
No, it's unnecessary. Yeah. The greats don't lock weights. Check the greats.
What a lie. The greats don't lock the weights. It's like a t-shirt.
I have maybe 80s and 90s, there'll be no weight locking. Nobody does that.
Yeah.
Weight locking, all this body language is all wrong, no?
What? Yeah, ऐसा
Gloves.
Gloves, yeah.
Ginki pata. No, man. No, this is gym, brother. Just come with torn clothes and go hard. Yeah. Chalo, shall we end?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Hey, chota. 4.
chota.
Table tennis balls, bench. 5, 6. You're going tennis, not tennis. Table tennis.
Achha, but that is his king, no?
Bro, I'm following the rules. Please understand. These are not our rules. We follow the rules. Chalo, that's it. We'll see Puneet soon. Or not.
In Thane, Andheri,
Andheri.
Ahmedabad, Bangalore,
Ahmedabad
Hyderabad.
पूरा city. वहाँ पे road का description नहीं है. That's really tough. You reach the airport, land in Ahmedabad, now Puneet कहाँ है?
You don't want them to find you so easily also. No?
There you know the name of the place, na, in Ahmedabad.
They will find out, book my show.
Is it Narendra Modi Stadium?
It's too big for anyone to fill actually, except the man himself.
In between the two innings.
Yeah.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.